Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine. I'm your math teacher and the day today is Monday 14 December 2020. So guys, today our topic is exercise 6A, question number 1, 2, 3. So before solving the questions, we have to take the concept about the topic time. So take out your countdown and open book page number 170. Okay guys, so this is book exercise, book page number 170. You can see that over here, and exercise is 6A. So here are some questions that you can solve. For the solving these questions, you have to take the concepts. So get ready for the concept, and then we will solve these questions. Okay girls. Okay girls, for each we have two different ways of expressing time. Okay, now look at this. What is the time in this clock? 11. Tell me 11:15, or in the other way you can say that 11:15. Okay, so now you can see that here we have here the colored portion shows 15 minutes. Okay, how many minutes shows the colored portion? So the colored portion shows 15 minutes. So when our 15 minutes on our right side, we have to use past, and when our 15 minutes on our left side, we have to use 2. Okay girls, so now I will give you more concept about this past and 2. Now look at on this clock. Now you can see that how many minutes in between this area? 9 to 12, 5 minutes here, 5 here and 5 here. So 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15. So this portion is also shows 15 minutes, and this portion is also shows 15 minutes. But the difference is when the portion of the 15 minutes is on the right side, so we have to tell the time in past. But when the portion of the minutes in the left side, we have to tell the time in quarter to in 2. Okay, it means quarter to 11. So according to this time, according to this hand, what is the time in this clock? Quarter to 11. So now one more, and now the further thing I will explain and show you that how. For example, if you divide the clock into two portions, you can see that the first one portion is in blue color and the second one portion is in yellow color. Okay, in your school, do you attend any PT period? Okay, so in PT, you have to use these two symbols, P for past and T for to. So with the word PT, you have to learn it with the right side of the clock. The colored portion in the blue colored portion is always tell the time in past, and the colored portion given in yellow always tell the time in to. This portion tells the right side portion tell us the time in past, and the left side portion tell us the time in to. So now I will show you a model clock, and then I will tell you the time, that how to tell the time in past and how to tell the time in to. Okay girls. Okay girls, so this is a model clock I'm showing you in this picture and this video. Okay, so now look at on this clock. Here we have two hands, long hand, the short hand. You already knows. Now I'm telling you that if I'll if I'll do the half of this clock, or if I'll make two portions of this clock. So for making two portion, I draw a line over here. You can see that in between 12 and 6, and I draw a line over here. So the right side of the portion always tell the time in past, and the left side of the portion always tell the time in to. P for past and T for to. For your convenience, I'm writing here P and T. So if I'll move the hands, like the long hand is on, the short hand is on 2, and the long hand is on, sorry, I'm rotating now this hand. The short hand is on 3 and the long hand is on 2. You can see that. So firstly, how do you tell the time in according to this hand? So the time is, the long hand is on 2. It's mean 10 minutes ho chuke hain, but 10 minutes past or 2. 3 o'clock means 10 minutes past 3. So how do we tell the time? We say that 10 minutes past, because the long hand is on 10, and there are 5 spaces between two markings. So 5 plus 5 10. 5 plus 5 10. Always there are 5 markings, 5 small markings on each number. So that's why we have to say that there are, clock follows a table of 5. So according to the table of 5, 5 plus 5 10. So when the long hand is on 2, it's mean the time is minutes are 10. 5 2s are 10. ठीक है. इसी तरह अगर हमारा हैंड होता 1 पर, तो हम क्या कहते हैं, वी कैन से दैट 5 मिनट्स पास 3. इसी तरह लॉन्ग हैंड हमारा 2 पर है, तो हम कहेंगे 10 मिनट्स पास 3. ठीक है. इसी तरह अगर हम अपने हैंड को मूव कर लेते हैं, हमारा शॉर्ट हैंड यहीं पर है और लॉन्ग हैंड अब हमने मूव कर लिया है 4 पर, इट्स मीन 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 5 15 plus 5 20. Otherwise you can say that 5 fours are 20 because clock follow the table of 5, so that's why you can multiply it. You can multiply each number with 5. 5 fours are 20 means 20 minutes हमारे क्या हो चुके हैं, पास्ट हो चुके हैं, गुजर चुके हैं. ठीक है, 3 o'clock हमारे डन हो चुके हैं. 3 o'clock 3 बजकर कितने मिनट हो गए हैं, 20 minutes. ठीक है, तो इट्स मी वी कैन से दैट 20 minutes past 3. But if our long and short hand same exactly on 3, but the long hand is on 8. Now look, our portion is changed or no? Yes, our portion is changed. When our portion is changed, we have to look and we have to tell the time according to our long hand. The short hands remain the same, but the long hand change the portion. So always we have to tell the time according to the long hand when we tell the time in past and to. So according to this clock, the time is, when we tell the time in 2, we use minutes anti-clockwise. We ओके हम एंटी क्लॉकवाइज यूज़ करते हैं अपने मिनट्स को, तो हम 12 से बैकवर्ड आते हैं. 11 12 to 11 5 minutes, then 11 to 10 5 minutes, 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 5 20. So it's mean 20 minutes to 3, यानी 3 o'clock होने में अभी 20 minutes रिमेन है, बाकी रहते हैं. ठीक है बेटा, तो इसी तरह अगर हमारा 10 पर होता लॉन्ग हैंड, तो अब हम क्या कहेंगे, 5 plus 5 मीन्स 10 minutes to 3, 10 minutes to 3, यानी 3 बजने में अभी 10 minutes रिमेनिंग है, बाकी बचते हैं. ठीक है, इसी तरह अगर यही लॉन्ग हैंड हमारा 3 की जगह, अब मैं रोटेट कर रही हूँ, मूव कर रही हूँ हैंड्स को. शॉर्ट हैंड इज ऑन 2 एंड द लॉन्ग हैंड इज ऑन 6. ठीक है, शॉर्ट हैंड इज ऑन 2 एंड द लॉन्ग हैंड इज ऑन 7. So now what is the time? You can see that the long hand is on the side of, in the portion of 2. So we can say that according, when the side of the portion, when the long hand is in our left side in the portion of 2, we use the time, we will count it from here. 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 5 20, 20 plus 5 25. So it's mean the time is 25 minutes to 3, 25 minutes to 3, 25 minutes to 3. इसी तरह अब now tell the time. Tell the time. Now we will count the time from here. We will tell the time from here. 5 5s are 25. Means 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 5 20, 20 plus 5 25. So 25 minutes past 2. 25 minutes past 2. Okay, जब हमारा long hand right side पर होगा, we will tell the time according to the hand, according to the long hand in past, and when our long hand is in the portion of 2, is in the left portion, we have to tell the time in 2. Clear girls?